Sawadee everyone. Welcome to our factory in Thailand. This is our factory, and this is our main gate. And today I will guide you all to our factory to have a look and can see our production and everything details. Yeah, please follow me. Hi everyone, this is our main gate. Our company have two brands. One brand is GROSSO, another brand is GROSSO TILE. And this is our main gate. Our factory is near to the mountain, a very big mountain, and our factory is quite big. And as you all know, Thailand is a Buddhist country, so you can see a Buddha here. And this is our factory, and now I will take you all to come to our factory to have a look. And this is the chips. The environment is quite good nowadays. It's quite sunny now. And this is the finished product. And here you can see the people is doing the mounting. This is the finished product and ready to be packaged. This is our full body product. We can also produce the full body, black, white and gray. And this is our cube. And this is our hexagon product also. It's going to be packed, and you can see there's some loose chips also. And this is our racing line. And I will take you all from the pressing to the cube. Nowadays we are producing a small hexagon. You can see the chips come out. And this is the pick and place. From the pressing to the tracing. And we will do the glaze here. Nowadays we just producing the white color. And we are going to see the slab go inside the tube. Now you can see after glaze the tube on the slab. Going to inside the cube. This is our cube. Our cube, the width is 2 meters, and one slab is 460. So 4 slabs for the width, and the long is length is 60 meters. So output per day is roughly around 1,200 square meters per day. This one is one of our cubes, and I will take you all to see output. And also we can produce the glass mosaic. Later on I will show you our glass mosaic cube as well. And this is the cabinet of the cubes. And you can see the temperature. Nowadays firing temperature is 1135 degrees. output because we changed the production. Now the output is 2-inch hexagon, and later we will also output the small hexagon. All of you saw in the video just now in the pressing. And this is our driving kiln, and this is one of the glass kiln, but because it's quite many years, so it's now stopped production. And this one is another glass kiln also, but because today we don't have any glass to produce, so I just give you two fast visits of the glass kiln. And the process, the glass side produced, the process is quite similar as the Chinese. Yeah, you can see the glass. This one is after firing, and our costing for the glass mosaic is quite similar as China, because nowadays the cost of the glass and glaze and labor cost, everything is quite similar. And this one is also the full body. Yeah, this one is the glass kiln. And this glass kiln is already more than around 10 years. But this kiln, because this kiln is not only can produce the glass, you can see it can firing at 1200 degrees, the maximum. So it means I can use this kiln to produce porcelain mosaic as well. And because now is the time is off now, so you can see the people, no worker here, no people here, but you can see the glass is still waiting for cutting. The process is quite similar as Chinese. And here is some mixer, yes, and the whole land is for the factory, so we can still have a lot of space for extend for one more kiln or even two more kiln. So thank you for all of us to visit our factory, and welcome to Thailand. Thank you. Sawadee krap.